Hello everyone, welcome to Talentious Corner. My name is Abhijit and you are watching a special video series on 15 investment options for every Indian. In this video, we are going to talk about Senior Citizen Certificate Scheme as investment option. Without getting delay, let's go to the presentation and let's talk more about this particular investment option.
Senior Citizen Savings Scheme is one of the schemes specifically for senior citizens. So in Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, you can invest a lump sum amount and you can earn interest on quarterly basis. To opt for this scheme, you must be 60 year or above. If you have taken volunteer retirement from your organization, your age should be between 55 to 60 years. In this scheme, you can deposit amount between 1000 rupees to 15 lakh rupees. Remember this is the one time investment that you are going to do, and then you are going to earn interest on the quarterly basis. When we talk about interest rate, as per financial year 2021 and 2022, interest rate on this particular scheme is 7.4%, and maturity period on this particular scheme is 5 years. However, you can get the extensions for next 3 years if you want to go for. When we talk about prematurity, so you cannot withdraw money from this particular scheme for first 1 year. Once 1 year is completed, between 1 to 2 years, if you want to withdraw from this particular scheme, you need to pay 1.5% as penalty on your principal amount. Between 2 years and 5 years, if you want to withdraw from this particular scheme, you need to pay 1% penalty on your principal amount. Once you complete 5 years, an extension period of 1 year, and you want to withdraw from this particular scheme, you don't need to pay any penalty. This particular scheme, you can opt from any post office, bank, and financial institutes. Let's understand what are the points you need to consider when you are opting for this particular scheme. So first is that, do you want a regular stream of income and can you afford locking your amount for next 5 years? So after your retirement, if you are looking for a regular income and you can lock your money for next couple of years, so this you can go for this particular scheme. And second thing, you need to decide how much money you can deploy on this particular scheme. And let's understand how much amount you are going to earn. Let's do a calculation and understand what will be your earning. So for an example, you have invested 1.5 lakh rupee on in this particular scheme, and rate of interest you are getting 7.4%, and you have opted for 5 years, then quarterly you are going to earn 2775 rupees. When we talk about advantages, so this is one of the safer option. If you talk about interest rate, then you get higher interest rate as compared to other government schemes. So when we talk about investment, you can invest up to 15 lakh rupees. Fourth benefit is that you are going to have a regular stream of income, and every quarter you are going to earn money from it. Fifth benefit is that there is a minimum penalty on premature withdrawal. When we talk about disadvantage, there is a lock-in period of 5 years if you don't want to do a premature withdrawal. And the interest that you are going to earn from this particular scheme, this is taxable. You need to provide 15H form to get a benefit from it. If we see senior citizen scheme at a glance, safety is 5 out of 5. Since your money is going to be locked for next 5 years, so liquidity is 3 out of 5. When we talk about return on this particular scheme as compared to other schemes, so it is better. So that's why we are saying that return is 4 out of 5.
I hope you like this particular video and you got some insight about this particular investment option. Please note this video is just for informational purpose. Before you opt for this particular scheme, please consult with your financial advisor. So for more financial information, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Happy investment. See you in the next video.